Hi, welcome to Donegal Dad. I'm Mark. If you're new here, please subscribe. Today we're going to have a look at some more wooden fencing. So today we're going to look at making wooden fencing, commonly known as a post and D-rail fence. We're going to use the same jig we used last week in making the wire fencing, and I'll link that down below so you can see what I'm on about. Let's get started. The same as the wire fence, this fence is going to be 5 foot high. So I've cut the matchsticks to approximately 30 mils in length, and they're going to have 8-foot centres. So put them in a piece of wood. Again, just push them in gently to the top. Here we have the piece of wood with the matchsticks in it that are going to represent the posts. So we want these all to be 5 foot high, a scale height of 5 foot. Here we have the jig, which we've measured 4 lines down. So the bottom line being 20 mils to give a total height of 5 foot. And then the other lines with the panel pins are 5 mils apart. So we take the piece of wood with the matchsticks, we line it up, and we want to get the piece of wood to line up with the bottom line. So therefore the matchsticks then will all be 5 foot. So we just gently tap it. Just till we get it into place. There we go. And now you can see the matchsticks are all the same height, so they all represent 5 foot. I'll put it back into the jig. So, when you're happy with the position of the piece of wood and the matchsticks, just clamp it in place. So for the cross rails of the fence, we're going to use some matchsticks. We also got some PVA glue, paintbrush to paint it on, and a pair of tweezers to help us place the matchsticks. So first thing we do is take the first few posts, put some PVA glue on them. We just do first few at a time. And take a matchstick, put it between the pins like so, so they're resting on the pins. You may have to slide it in, like so. And just position them with the tweezers. So the next matchstick you put in, just dip the end of it in the glue. And you can see now it's butted up against the other matchstick, so it should glue in place. And it's just a matter of repeating the process all the way along. So carry on, get that done now. There's all the matchsticks glued in place now. I like the effect the matchsticks give because it gives a sort of the effect of a rickety fence. If you want something a bit more conventional, maybe looking like an ewer, perhaps using these skewers as the cross beams, so it would give a straighter fence. But we'll leave that to dry now, and then we'll take it out and paint it up. Here's the fence out of the jig now. This is the one where I used the matchsticks on for the cross members. And you can see how it looks all rickety, so we're going to paint that up now. Here's one I made using the skewers as the cross beams, and you can see that looks a more substantial standard fence. So we're going to paint this one up as well. There we go, there's the fences all painted up. Now, just like last time with the wire fence, use a pair of needle nose pliers. Just gently prise it out bit by bit. And if a bit does break off, it's only a matter of just using some PVA glue and sticking it back on again. So I'll carry on doing this, get these out, and then we'll go to the layout and we'll put them on. There's the holes drilled now, so it's just a matter of slotting the fence into the holes, like so. I say if you do break a little bit of the fence starts to come apart once you've got all the posts in. It's only a little bit of PVA glue, just to do a quick repair. So, but the idea of this fence is it looks like an old rickety fence. So you can have some of the crossbars hanging down, where they've been knocked over by animals, just to give it a bit more authenticity. I just need to re-drill that hole at the end, and that's it in. There's the fencing. There's the fence now in place. It might need a little bit of touching up here and there. You can see where some of the cross rails have fallen down. It looks like a rickety old fence in need of some repair. Hope you found that useful, looking at the fencing for a model railway. Next time we'll be looking at making some stone walling. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Leave your comments down below. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.